Hello everyone, it's Tugger Tom, and today we're going to be starting a new little mini-series, Tugger Tom's Top Tips. Yes, I did come up with that myself, and the first one we're going to look at is how to set up a dashboard in Power BI. Okay, so for the purpose of today, I've gone with our downloadable zero reports. And as you can see here, there's a lot of different graphs, a lot of different pieces of data, a lot of bar charts. But what you really want to know is how can you really just limit that down to exactly what you need to see and in your own dashboard. So the way you do that is you actually hover over this little pin icon, you pin it, and then it'll come up with this pop-up. So you can either add to an existing dashboard, or for this, we're going to create a new one, and I'm going to call it Tugger Tom. Of course. And now with this new dashboard that you can see along the left tab here, we'll go to the dashboard. And there we are. That's a new dashboard with, for this example, the year-on-year variance excluding tax. Say you just wanted to see that. That is in this new dashboard. So we'll go back to the standard zero reports now and say you didn't want to just see that. You needed another piece of information, another data set. I just want to see the number of invoices by invoice type. So we'll get that straight into that dashboard, into the Tugger Tom one. Head over to that dashboard, and there it is. I mean, it's quite simple, but it's a little handy trick that quite a few people do miss. This time though, we're going to do things a little bit different. So let's head over to the revenue, the rolling 12-month revenue within our zero reports here. Here we're pinning the rolling 12 months accumulation. Again, add to existing one now that we've made this dashboard. But wait, say you wanted it easy, say you wanted to view it anywhere on the go. How can we do that? Well, most of us have phones, so we're going to create it into a mobile dashboard. And again, literally as simple as that, this is how it would view within your mobile here. And to actually view this dashboard that you've made, you literally just go into your workspaces within the Power BI app, click on the Tugger Tom one, or whatever you may call it, and there it is. The data that you wanted to see in your own customized dashboard. I mean, it's really just as simple as that, but a very, very handy tip to know. And there we have it. A nice, quick, easy Tugger Tom's top tip. The first one. Keep an eye out, there'll be many more. I hope this has helped you. I hope you get a good understanding of how to create a dashboard now in Power BI. So there you go, get out there, get on Power BI, create your own dashboard. Get it on your mobile as well. Impress your colleagues if Power BI is what they're into, and it's as easy as that. Once again, thank you very much for watching. This has been Tugger Tom's Top Tips, and I've been, you guessed it, Tugger Tom. Until next time.